तिरंगा मेरी शान है, भारत की पहचान है। ये देश का सम्मान, हमारी आजादी का प्रमाण है। तिरंगा मेरी आशा है, तिरंगा मेरी भाषा है। ये देश की आजादी की अटल परिभाषा है।
The Indian national flag, a horizontal tricolor of saffron, white and green with the Ashoka Chakra in the center, evolved through various stages of the Indian independence movement. So, we the students of Shekhawati Educational Group are going to make you aware about history of our glorious Indian flag, the Tiranga.
Flag of 1906. This was the first Indian flag with horizontal strips of red, yellow and green, and it was hosted in Calcutta.
Flag of 1907. Madam Bikaji Kama raised a similar flag with modification in Paris, which was also displayed at a socialist conference in Berlin.
Flag of 1917. Annie Besant and Bal Gangadhar Tilak introduced a flag as part of the Home Rule movement, symbolizing autonomous rule within the British Empire.
The Swaraj flag in 1921. Freedom fighter Pinchley Venkaya presented the flag with two bands, red and green, and a spinning wheel symbolizing different communities and a self-reliance.
Flag of 1931. The flag was modified, replacing the red with saffron and officially adopting the tricolor with the charkha as the flag of the Indian National Congress.
The flag of July 22nd, 1947. The Constituent Assembly adopted a tricolor flag with Ashok Chakra, a wheel from Ashok pillar, and the flag was officially unfurled as the national flag of independent India on 15 August 1947.
उस बड़े देश का शान न हो कुछ बाका, हमको प्राणों से बढ़कर राष्ट्र पताका। हे ध्वजा राष्ट्र की नील गगन पर पहरो, लहर लहर तुम लहरो, लहर लहर तुम लहरो, लहर लहर तुम लहरो, लहर लहर तुम लहरो।